Inofia Double Memory Foam Sprung Mattress Full Review. Let's go start the video. So welcome Tech 5 channel new video. Inofia Double Memory Foam Sprung Mattress 10.6 inch, for FT6 spring mattress with innovative wave memory foam and soft knitted fabric, the elegant collection, 135 by 190 by 27 centimeters. Products details. Product dimensions, 190L x 30W x 30T centimeters. Comfort layer material, memory foam. Coil type, pocketed coil. Brand, Inofia. Item firmness description, firm, medium firm. Age range, description, adult, baby, kid. Color, white. Construction type, foam. Size, double, 135 by 190 by 27 centimeters. Item weight, 27.6 kilograms. About this item. Inofia Elegant Collection. Inofia 2019 new launched Elegant Collection. Unlike most of mattress in market, it comes with black and white classic design. When combined with innovative wave memory foam and ultra-soft knitted fabric with airy mesh fabric on side, it's definitely worth a try. Innovative wave memory foam. Update wave memory foam is placed on the bottom of normal memory foam layer. Let you freely return over the night, it doesn't restrict your movement. And, when you do move, you're unlikely to disturb your partner. Because this mattress is good at absorbing bounces. Extraordinary pocket coil technology. Offers good spinal support for everyone, provides greatest durability while delivering pressure relief. Motion separation for back support. Unique zoned coil support adapts and supports each unique body greatly. Adapts to anybody for the perfect level of support. Ultra-soft cover and airy mesh on side. Our hypoallergenic, anti-mite cover is made of fibers which immediately releases moisture to give you the ideal sleeping climate. It also designed with airy mesh on side for extra breathability and comfort, meaning that during humid nights it shouldn't become damp with sweat. Questions. Please don't trust any parties not authorized by Inofia. Nobody gets something for nothing. That we pride ourselves on customer service and urge you to reach out to us directly. Your orders get help with order. Ask product question. If you have any questions at any point, our professional service team will help you out. Thanks for watching the full video. Like this video. Share this video. Subscribe the channel for more new video. Press the bell icon for new videos notification.